Bro, it's crazy because I just made a video about I was talking about is Messi better than or is Kanye more famous than Messi, bro? Like who's the better Adidas person? And I got into an argument. I was like, bro, Kanye, he's still on the team, bro. They still selling his Yeezys. And then they just came out with the news that Kanye and Adidas they have officially came to end the legal battle in an out of court settlement. So they didn't do it with the judges involved. They just came face to face and like, yo, I don't know the details yet, but they was like, yo, let's just handle it man to man, and then whatever they worked out, which we'll talk about in the video, is coming. But bro, is that weird, bro? Like I just feel like they've been dragging it, and it's just like, what are we doing? So I'm really curious to see what happened. And if you're not familiar with the situation, long story short, Kanye said some, potentially controversial stuff. Adidas thought it was a bad look for the brand. They cut him. And then, Kanye started acting up. And then Adidas, they brought him back and they started releasing all the Yeezys again. And then they dropped him again because the wars were going on and they were like, oh, we not trying to get canceled. And then they just started like saying all types of stuff, which, a lot of it was just not true whatsoever. And then they brought him back again. And then I lost track of, at that point of, the breakups. But now I guess it's officially over. So we're going to talk about the details today. So Golden, the current CEO of Adidas, who joined the company after they already dropped, Kanye has navigated the brand through its tumultuous period. I don't know, the bad period. I'm pretty sure that's what that means. There isn't any more open issues, and there's no money going either way, and we both move on. There were tensions on many issues, and when you put the claims on the right side and you put the claims on the left side, both parties said we don't need to fight anymore and withdraw all the claims. So basically, what he's saying is Kanye think that y'all owe me for this, and Adidas think Kanye owed him for that, but they're like, look, bro, low-key just even it out. Why don't we just drop it? You know what I'm saying? Like, it is more complicated just to go tit for tat. You dig what I'm saying? And earlier this year, Kanye took his Instagram to claim that Adidas was suing him for $250 million just after Three Stripes announced a new batch of Yeezy drops. These semi-annual release events have occurred multiple times since the Yeezy partnership ended in 2022, generating hundreds of millions of dollars for Adidas. The most recent drop took place back in June and continued throughout the summer. So yeah, this was like one of the original drops where they were like, yo, like, we're bringing them back. We're finna drop all of them. Kanye also claimed that Adidas has frozen his bank accounts, with one such claim turning out to be true. Like I said, bro, I did another video where Adidas just said like all these like statements about Kanye, and they were just like ridiculous, like to the point where it's like there's no way that it's true. They were lying. Billboard reported in May of this year that Adidas has secretly filed a legal action on November 11, 2022 that froze $75 million in accounts held by Kanye. Shortly after this report, the judge lifted the court order because Adidas did not take the correct actions in its filings. Still, the dispute went to in private. Shortly after, Adidas initially struggled to decide on how to approach its $1 billion plus inventory of Yeezy sneakers, but ultimately decided to sell products to the public in batches. Portions of the proceeds were donated to organizations that fight hate speech and anti-Semitism. So they basically did this to be petty. Not saying that, these people don't deserve it, but that was the whole reason why they kicked them off. So they were like, we're still going to sell your product, but just to throw it in your face, we're going to donate it to the people that you claim to hate. However, recent releases of Yeezy have seen Adidas discount products up to 70% off the initial release. Yeah, they went super low on price. It just came to a point where it's like a lot of them we already saw, or a lot of them were already not popular. And then now that you kind of just take away the main reason why we're buying them, it's just like, eh. And then also, shoes are at a bad point. Yeezys always had a high retail. So yeah, there was just a lot of things. And then nobody was really interested. Yeezys kind of died off like a long time ago. So it is what it is. But some of the Yeezys, that were still popular, still have value. they definitely sold out for sure. And I actually bought 2 pairs. I bought the boots. Yeah, I think I bought both boots. No, I think I just bought 1 pair of boots. Yeah. I wanted the slides though, but I wasn't able to get them. After going on his own, Ye sold clothes and the infamous Yeezy pods. I bought those too. Honestly, I'm not a fan of them. The only reason why I even still wear them is because I wear them to the gym, which low-key they're uncomfortable. But the thing about the gym is like, me personally, I don't have a lot of pair of socks, so I don't want to waste a pair on the gym, take a shower, put another pair of socks on. You know what I'm saying? That's 2 pairs of socks, and I barely even started my day compared to just putting on the Yeezy pods, go on the lift, boom, take a shower. Then if I need to put on a fit, I can now use my socks. But yeah, they're low key uncomfortable, and they're worth the $20, right? Like that, you get what you buy for, you get what you pay for. The pods were initially priced at $200, but in a Super Bowl advertisement, he announced that all the prices on his site would go down to $20. Yeah, I would have been. I mean, I saw them at $200. I just didn't buy it because I was like, "There's no way." But yeah, but there were definitely people who spent $200 and he refunded them. But I couldn't even imagine that shoe being at $200. It's just not worth. The material's not like good enough for it to be a $200 shoe. It's literally just a sock with an insole. Yeah, so they're just saying that he had a lot of success. With the legal bindings between Kanye and Adidas severed and less than €150 million in Yeezy inventory remaining, it's looking like the era of Adidas Yeezy sneakers is drawing to a close, obviously. While Adidas retains the legal rights to the designs, Yeezy branding, the CEO has made it clear that the brand has no plans to use these designs moving forward. As the remaining stock of Yeezy dwindled, the once iconic partnership is fading into sneaker history, marking the end of an era for one of the most influential collaborations in footwear industry, which is pretty much facts. So yeah, it just seems like they were just kind of tired of it, and I think Adidas, especially since they're the one that came out with the claim, I think it's safe to say that Adidas kind of just like we're in the wrong. I'm tired of going back and forth. Here's like what we owe you. Boom, can we just call it even? Let's not go to court about it. And Kanye was like, bro, finally, yeah, come on. But yeah, Adidas is just trash right now. Like they have nothing to sell, bro. Like the NMDs and Ultra Boosts were popular because of Kanye. Their only selling product really was Yeezys. Outside of like obviously like clothing and all the soccer stuff. But sneaker wise, bro, like there's no popular Adidas shoes. No one's really wearing Stan Smiths. No one's really. I don't even know what another popular Adidas shoe is. I don't know. The Sambas are cool, but I don't think it's like popular enough to like be anything like remotely close to like an Air Max. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, but Adidas they're trying to use Bad Bunny and Messi, and hopefully they get some other people and things like that. So we gonna see where it goes. So let me know if you team Kanye or team Adidas, bruh. Let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, I'll see y'all next video. Peace.